Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And today we're gonna do the special video where I'm gonna be opening free stocks live on this video. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But before I get into it, I'm going to do a quick just update on today's date. And for those who don't know what I'm currently doing, I'm doing a challenge where I'm growing $200 up until $1 million. That's right, you heard it right, $1 million. And my goal is to hit this within 4 years. And I'm going to be showing my progress every single day. So stay tuned for that and hit that subscribe button if you guys like to see my journey. Alright, so the stock that I traded today was TQQQ. Well, I didn't really trade it today. I was holding it since yesterday. And it's starting to pay off. It's starting to turn around. I saw that the overall stock market had a little bit of a dip. I bought in at the dip, and I'm planning to sell once it starts to go up. Maybe for like a nice 5 to 10 to even 12% profit would be very, very nice. So that's working out pretty nicely. So TQQQ, thank you for going up. And I'm also just closely watching Tesla and UWT, though I can't afford to buy Tesla, but I was looking at it. It just looked like it bounced off the support. If you look at Tesla really quickly, let's take a quick look. So as you can see, you can kind of in your head draw a support and resistance line on this. I did some analysis on this on the weekly live stream on a Stock Talk. But right here, you can see that the support is right around 255 and it bounced from there. And I'm just looking at it and just learning from its pattern to see if it's going to bounce and break the pattern, or is it going to go dip down at least one more time. Alright, so UWT, and this is going to be the last one, and we're going to get into the opening the free stocks. So UWT right here and DWT, they're inverse of each other and they track crude oil. I was looking at UWT, and today it did end up bouncing just like I thought. It hit the support, and I'm bouncing up today. Not much, but around 0.6%. Usually it has bigger movements, but I'm still tracking this one and trying to find a good place to buy in a share or a few shares to make some profit. So those are the stocks that I'm watching currently. I just want to stay focused on just a few stocks and not just be all over the place. So I'm focusing on these 3 stocks. Alright guys, the moment you have been waiting for. Opening free stocks live. Alright, let's see what we get. Let's go for Trans Eccentrics. I've never heard of that. $2.24. That's fantastic. Isn't that so fantastic? $2 free. Next one, let's see. Let's go middle. AK Steel. $2.75. Let's try to hit this one for an Apple share. Ready? Groupon. Dang it. At least we got a total of around $8 today from free stocks. Thank you guys all who signed up using my referral code for these free stocks. I really appreciate it. If you guys like to sign up for Robinhood, they have a bonus where I just opened a few free stocks. And if you guys like to join Robinhood, they offer a program where if you guys use someone's referral link, I'm going to put my referral link in the description below. If you use that link, then you will get a free stock from Robinhood, and I will also. And the free stock could be anything. Could be Apple, Berkshire Hathaway, or even Microsoft. So it's crazy, and why not just use their link and get some free cash? So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this opening of free stocks today. If you guys would like to see more videos like this every day, I'd appreciate if you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I would appreciate it a ton. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day.